A very good morning. Apart from the daily news of what we have today, we have here something special to introduce you all. We have the youth icon Vaibhav Chaudhary, entrepreneur of K1 Security and also an adventurous traveler. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you.
And now we are over here to know a very good discussion about the K1 Security and a great description. I hope this would be a great inspiring story for all the youths to get into this type of field. Welcome once again. Can you please tell us about K1 Group?
Basically, K1 Group is majorly into manpower sourcing. We are Eastern's one of the largest manpower agencies since 2008. So it was never planned to start a business related to manpower sourcing. I being from a political family, it was never a plan. So we prefer helping people. So my grandfather, great grandfather who is no more, like he said, he had a vision to start K1 Security. So we did start it around 2008. So by meantime, my father got into this business.
But this was really inspiring that even at this very young age, a great icon for such a great company and a great success, and that's really very inspiring. How is the manpower service industry post-pandemic?
Post-pandemic, we had a very bad time.
Yeah,
we had a huge shortage of manpower due to fear, basically.
Exactly.
But manpower and a lot of my colleagues, those who really did help me a lot during this pandemic, and they were there standing with us as a pillar. They did the duties and everything on time. They never left the posts. They're leaving behind their families. I have this story, a small story I will share, which is I have a guy whose name I'm not able to recall, but this guy, he had a small son. He was not able to come down to his son to the hospital, nowhere. Due to this COVID situation, nobody was allowed. And the time when my guys took him to his son and he saw him from a distance, that emotion was pure, very pure.
It would be. How will you select your manpower and how will you ensure of quality service, maintain the quality of your service?
We have a specific team of HR. Those who have connections with all the sarpanch. We go to different districts, villages. We go to rural areas where people are searching for employment. We put up different camps for interview. We sometimes have some entertaining programs. How our brave arts, like they wore, like they do the duties and all. Then we filter people. From that, we give them a training of around 1 month. Then we still do the deployments.
So it is also a form of social service, something really to that. That's really very great. K1 has diversified into different verticals. Please elaborate.
Meanwhile, we have acquired a couple of companies, which is Vinner Security Services, which is Odisha's first security and manpower agency. We have also expanded towards Force, K1 Force, which is a bouncer, PSOs like bounties services. We are having a pioneer in that same service. So we are also right away getting involved in transportations.
That would really help people a lot.
Road clearance, like in mining areas, police, traffic force is something which they are not able to provide. That's where we come into play. We have
QRTs. Really touch everyone's heart. Yeah, exactly. How do you ensure the safety of your clients as you're using your high manpower for fulfilling the requirements?
See, like when our manpower is deployed, you have a lot of issues. Like it might be local issues, it might be theft. So we have to be alert. Exactly. That's what we teach them in training. During training, we teach them how not to sleep, what to do, like if somebody is attacking you, what reaction should you take, what should be your reactions and step. Because his step definitely will impact my company's reputation. So that's how we.
It is
operate.
also important in developing the personal skills
Yeah.
of an individual. That's really very great. Tell us something about your role as a director of K1 Group and as a young driving enthusiast.
See, I am a off-road freak. I love traveling.
Yeah, as it is already said.
Yeah, I am into a lot of off-roading stuff, traveling, enjoying life. And coming down, I have a soft corner to help people out. So what happens when both of them come together? I come down to a manpower sourcing agency.
It's not about the director, but you really
Yeah.
are trying hard to make the company
Yeah.
reach a very high position. Although it doesn't seem to be, but with your work and even extracurricular activities, what you do is really inspiring, and that's really great. Is there any plan to expand your business to other parts of the country?
Yeah, we are expanding, not exactly for the to expand abroad. We are having a time of 1 year or
Okay.
such. Meanwhile, we are expanding to different states. Like different states are accepting us in a very good way because due to our quality service and reputation.
Exactly.
So we have expanded to Eastern Belt, the whole Eastern Belt. We are deploying
That's great.
manpower.
So it's
And,
really
yeah.
spreading, and it's very
Yeah.
great to see that it's spreading in a great manner. Thank
you.
you. So although it was very less time, but I think it is very inspiring. Surely people would really love it and also start coming to this light because they know much more, and I hope this would be really inspiring for many youths to get into this line. Thank you for spending a very valuable time with us, although you are very busy. Thank you.